Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you the difference or what does CC and BCC means in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's begin first by composing an email. And have you always noticed the CC and BCC part at the upper right on your Gmail when you're sending a message? So CC means carbon copy and BCC means blind carbon copy. So when you're sending an email to mass recipients and you don't want other recipients to see the other recipients, so all you have to do is put their emails in the BCC or the blind carbon copy part, and if you want them to see specific recipients only, all you need to do is put their emails to the carbon copy part. If you decided to just put the emails to all the conversations that has been sent and received by the sender will be shown to other recipients. So yeah. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. If you want a more clear and precise explanation, please let us know and comment down below. See you on our next video. Bye!